Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hindi.
Ano ba?
Pang-wedding. Pang-kasal
Ay,
nila.
kasal pala yun. Sorry, kala ko birthday nila pala.
Congrats dapat. Congratulations, guys.
guys.
We are happy for you, RG and Leo. Wish lang namin sa inyo mas magkaroon pa kayo ng madami pang badminton trophy. Blessings sa marriage nyo at always happy lang.
Sa wakas, dumating na rin yung time na kayo naman. Hindi yung lagi na lang tinatanong sa inyo, kailan kayo kakasal? Anyways, we're very happy to see you both finally tying the knot. Wish namin stay happy and humble. Listen to each other, understand each other, and habaan ng pasensya. Yan ang pinaka-importante na totoo lang. And that's it. Happy for you guys. See you in your wedding date. Among Us. Leo, keep smashing! Woo!
Hi, Beshi. Long time no see. I hope and pray that you are doing well there, and I'm so excited for your new chapter, for your wedding. And I pray that you will have a beautiful and blessed marriage as you begin your new chapter in life. Always take care, and I wish you and your future husband a lifetime of laughter, countless blessing for your marriage. Always take care, and I miss you so much. Bye!
Hello RG, congratulations and best wishes on your upcoming wedding. Sobrang excited ako for you and happy at the same time because you already found your happy ever after. I know deserve mo lahat ng love and happiness na meron ka ngayon. May God bless your relationship with a lifetime of love and good memories. Yun lang. See you soon. I miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi RG and Leo, congratulations. I'm so happy they finally kakasal na kayo. Best wishes, and may you have a long, happy marriage filled with love. Congrats!
Hello, soulmate! This is not your daily stress reminder, so chill ka lang. Wishing you a very happy marriage and congratulations. The whole Shock Shock girls are here for you and we're all very happy for you. And short lang ang message ko kasi andyan din naman ako. So, I can say it in person. So, see you in October and that's it. Love you!
Hi Arjale, I just want to say congratulations on your special day. I'm really happy for you guys and you deserve all the happiness and love that you have right now. RG, thank you for being such a wonderful work friend and I really appreciate your friendship when we work together in Samsung, and I cannot wait to see you guys again soon. So please enjoy your day and I miss you.
Best wishes, Sister and Leo. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. I'm very proud sa lahat ng mga achievements nyo, sa career, sa mga travels ninyo, sa badminton, more championships, and mag-level up kayo, huwag palagi sa lower level. Ang wish ko sa inyo in the years to come ay mahalin nyo palalo ang isa't isa, help each other, trust each other, and kung may problema, palagi pag-usapan. Nandito lang naman kaming lahat para sa inyong dalawa. And I pray na magkaroon din kayo ng malulusog na kids very soon. Huwag nyo nang patagalin and enjoy nyo yung magiging future family ninyo. Enjoy nyo yung pagsasama ninyo. At magkita-kita tayo soon. Love you!
Michael Jackson dance.
Congratulations po, Nina.
Congratulations po, Ninang. Come on. Congratulations, Ninang Archie! Ay, sino ba?
Sabi mo,
Congratulations!
sabi mo, be happy, Ninang Archie and Ninong Leo. Okay, come on. Come on. It will not finish.
Be happy, people.
Hi Jem, hi RG. You're tying the knot at last, and we're excited to celebrate that day with you. We'll see you in October. Bye.
Hello guys, ako po yung mama ni Arjun. At una sa lahat po, ako nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon. At sa wakas, ikakasal na yung dalawa, si Arjun at si Leo. Oh, congratulations, Arjun and Leo. God bless you both. I love you, Mama.